Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best RC Servo Extension Cable is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components in the world of RC hobbying. A seemingly simple cable can dramatically impact your RC cars, boats, or airplanes' performance and reliability, allowing for flexible positioning of servos away from the receiver or power source, preventing signal loss and ensuring smooth operation, ultimately enhancing the overall control and enjoyment of your RC model. Choosing the right extension cable can prevent signal interference, improve range, and even protect your valuable servos from damage. Number 5. 55-Set Servo Connector Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for your servo connector projects. It includes various connectors, cables, and a crimping tool for easy installation. You'll receive 30 sets of male and female connectors, plus additional red connectors compatible with JST-SYP. Also included are 3 meters of 22 AWG cable, connector clips, tweezers, and a crimping tool. The included crimping tool features a ratcheting mechanism, making crimping effortless and efficient. It's designed for comfortable and easy operation. The black connectors are compatible with FOTABA and JR connectors, perfect for servo extensions and repairs. The red connectors work with JST-SYP connectors, ideal for power cables. The 3-meter cable uses 22 AWG multicore tinned copper wire, ensuring durability and sufficient current carrying capacity. It's strong and reliable for your projects. Each connector set contains the housing, protective cap, and crimp pins. The servo connectors have a 2.54 mm pin spacing, while the red connectors have a 2.5 mm spacing. What we like. This kit has everything you need to get started with servo extensions. It includes connectors, wires, and even a crimping tool. If you enjoy DIY projects and want a reliable, long-lasting solution, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for those who want a complete solution and prefer to customize their connections. What people say. This set has everything you need to extend or shorten servo and accessory power wires. Easy to operate once you get the hang of it. The quality on this crimper and kit is excellent. They even have a good YouTube video link on the instructions that shows exactly how to use the tool. Great kit for whipping up your own custom RC harnesses. Highly recommended. Number 4. DYWISHKEY Servo Extension Cables. It's made with high-quality 22 AWG wire and pure copper contacts. This ensures a strong, reliable connection that will last. They come in 5 different lengths, 10 cm, 15 cm, 30 cm, 50 cm, and 60 cm. 6 cables of each size are included, giving you plenty of options. The connectors have a 3-pin design with a female end and a male end. The angled design makes installation easy and prevents mistakes. You get 30 cables in total, a great value for your money. The variety of lengths means you'll always have the right one on hand. These are perfect for FOTABA and JR servos, planes, helicopters, RC cars, and more. They're versatile enough for many different projects. What we like. It offers a variety of cable lengths to suit your specific needs. The high-quality materials ensure a strong and reliable connection. If you need different lengths for various applications, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who need a range of sizes for different RC projects. What people say. All cables worked well. The assortment is well priced and a great time saver. Experienced no issues with poor contact points or non-working cables. I use these connectors to connect servos from a Spectrum, SPMAR12300T, 20 channel, to a 26% Edge 540, 30 cubic centimeters. Everything seems fine and there are no jitters when the connectors are wiggled at the power module. The construction of the connectors is sufficient to perform as expected. Sometimes the servo leads just aren't long enough and you need a little extension. I cut the long ones to custom lengths and then crimp a new servo lead on, very convenient to have in your toolbox. Number 3. RC Servo Extension Cables. These cables offer a convenient solution for extending your servo connections. They're compatible with various RC applications, ensuring a seamless setup. It works perfectly with FOTABA and JR servos. Use them with planes, helicopters, RC cars, whatever your RC project needs. With lengths ranging from 3.9 to 23.6 inches, you'll find the perfect fit for your project. No more struggling with short connections. This package includes 15 cables, giving you plenty for your projects and replacements. It's a great value for your money. Each cable features a male connector on one end and a female connector on the other, making connections quick and easy. Just plug and play. Use them to connect boards, control panels, or anything that needs a longer servo connection. They are perfect for jumping connections. What we like. This pack provides a selection of useful cable lengths, saving you the hassle of searching for specific sizes. The simple design makes it easy to connect and use. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution with a good balance of length options, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who need a few extra cables without breaking the bank. What people say. These work great for extending your servo. Great connection. The connector end fits on the Hello Flight board just like the other servo wires. I only need 2 wires, so I remove the white since it is not needed in my case. These worked great for my robot project. I didn't have any connection issues. The length was perfect and allowed me to get to every area of the build. Number 2. Tecunite Servo Extension Cables. These cables offer a versatile solution for extending your servo connections. They're compatible with various RC applications, ensuring a seamless setup. With 6 different lengths available, from 10 cm to 60 cm, you'll find the perfect fit for your project. This ensures flexibility and convenience. Each cable features a 3-pin connector, designed for easy and secure connections. The angled design helps prevent installation errors. They are made with durable 0.08 TS wires, ensuring reliable performance and longevity. They're built to withstand the demands of RC applications. These cables are compatible with Futaba and JR servos, making them suitable for a wide range of RC vehicles and aircraft. They're perfect for planes, helicopters, and cars. This pack includes 20 cables in total, providing ample supply for various projects. You'll always have the right length on hand. What we like. This set offers an extensive range of cable lengths, catering to a wide array of applications. The durable connectors ensure a reliable connection every time. If you need a large selection of lengths for various projects, this is the best option. It's perfect for those who need a wide range of cable lengths for diverse RC projects. What people say. Made it possible to add an off switch to my radio-controlled model boat. Useful and much cheaper than hobby supplier. My winch wouldn't reach my receiver, but now I have plenty of length as well as a ton of spares for future builds. Great quality too. These are a good fit, loose enough to remove and tight enough to hold in most applications. With the range of lengths, there is always the perfect choice available. Number 1. Honbay RC Servo Extension Cable. This cable gives you the extra length you need for your RC projects. It's perfect for connecting servos in tight spaces or when you need more flexibility. With a length of 300 mm, it provides ample reach for various applications. No more struggling with short cables. It's designed to work seamlessly with Futaba and JR servos. Enjoy a reliable connection every time. Use it in your RC cars, airplanes, quadcopters, or any project that requires servo extension. It's versatile and adaptable. Simply plug it in and you're ready to go. It's a simple solution for a common problem. It's also great for debugging UART builds and FPV quad builds. It simplifies the process and makes troubleshooting easier. This pack contains 10 cables, providing you with plenty of spares for your projects. Always have an extra one on hand. What we like. This option provides a standard length cable that's perfect for many common applications. The simple design ensures a reliable connection. If you need a straightforward, reliable extension cable, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who need a simple, reliable solution for a specific application. What people say. Good for extend servo wire ANS ESC wires, very resistant. They work fine for my application. Product arrived on time and works well. I use them as an extension cord for various servos. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.